Okay, thanks for clicking onto this video. I got a little bit of a cold, something I'm a little bug, got my voice kind of messed up, but feeling okay, so I'm gonna keep working. So I'm gonna do some Christmas stuff. I'm shifting gears. I'm a little late in doing any Christmas stuff this year. I usually do quite a bit of it. I don't know I'll get much done this time, but I've got these ornaments. These are all Steve Good patterns. You got these three that's in a set, Peace, Love, and Joy. And I got these simple ones, and these are downsized. I think they're actually 40% of the original. I know this one is, I'm not sure about these. But what I'm doing here, I'm gonna stack cut 3 of these at a time because my wife is going to use them to make, she's gonna crochet like a little garland thing with those hanging on it. That may be another video if she gets that done. I'll throw something else in on that. She stays busy like me, doesn't get everything done like she wants to. So anyway, I'm gonna cut these, and it's all gonna be maybe the only Christmas things I cut this year, depends on what else comes up. So on this, I'm probably gonna use number 1 blade, that one too. Rest of them can go ones. I'm gonna do 5 on the stack cut. So I've got a 1, a 2, a 3 in there, so I'm gonna start cutting on these right here. I've got a fairly fresh number 3. So I'm gonna cut these first. They'll be easy to cut. This is all just scrap stuff I've picked up. My wife, she said she wanted them to be a light material. She puts a Christmas tree up in her little computer room because we've got cats, and she don't let the cats get to it in there. So and these are plywood because they're gonna be fairly fragile in some places. Steve had a backing board. I'm not sure I'm gonna make the backing board for them. I may once I get them done, but for now, this is what I'm gonna do. So let me get to the saw, and I'll start cutting on these, and with the blade I've got, and then I'll go down to a 1 or either a 5 to go to one of the others. Okay, I've got this batch of little ornaments cut out and got them sealed a little bit. Got a coat of enamel, clear enamel on them. Now I've cut 6 of these, and we'll pass those on to my wife. She's going to do some crocheting with them. I'm not sure exactly what she's going to come up with, but she requested those when she saw them. And I will say, don't know that I mentioned this to start out. This is not full size. This is 40% of the original pattern. I was downsizing it and kind of want to make a smaller ornament. But that made these really delicate cuts. I cut those all with the number 1, and it came out okay. It's in a 1/8" Baltic birch plywood. But that was it was kind of challenging a little bit, but I made it work. And on this one, the little circle on the top that you hang it with broke. Well, I'll just use that piece right there, that top there, to hang it. And you see these have the little circle there, a little eyelet to hang them by. So anyway, that's this little set of ornaments. I've got one more Christmas thing I'm going to do. I try to have it up before the end of the week. It's I'll show that to you the next day or two. Like I say, I'm going to have this up. This is Monday, a couple of weeks before Christmas. Try to have this video up by tomorrow, Tuesday anyway. And hopefully by Friday I'll have the next one up. And that'll probably be my doing for Christmas this year. I hadn't even got my decorations up or anything so far. Still fighting a little bit of a cold. I feel good and then I feel bad, so I don't do a lot of work. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Hope you like these little ornaments. I'll have a link to these. These are all Steve Good patterns. And I'll have a link to them. Like I say now, his patterns are larger than that. You can cut out whatever size you want to. I wanted some smaller ones. It wasn't a big deal on some of them, but like I say, those got kind of small cuts. But they look really nice when I got them done. And he also puts a backing board on it. I'm not going to put a backing board on them. I'm going to leave it just like that. My wife likes them like that. She decorates a little tree in her room, and she likes a light colored ornament against that dark tree. So if you like that, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, and we'll see what the next Christmas video is. And I hope to see you when I get that done, and we'll look it over. Thanks for watching.